All right, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan if you're new here, and today I'm gonna show you guys my little sleeked back, cool girl, Hailey Bieber, Bella Hadid, model off duty, slicked back bun tutorial, okay? So yeah, and I'm not like 100% amazing at this, but I feel like this is an easy, quick, and achievable tutorial. Like, this is for the beginners, the people who aren't super good at doing their own hair, just want this sleek back bun. It doesn't need to be perfect, but it just needs to be like quick, easy, and cheap to obtain, and that's what I'm doing right now. That's what I'm going to show you. So if you want to achieve this cutie little chic, I'm trying to show you this little cute chic bun that I have going on here, keep watching. All right, so the first thing is you're gonna need some things, obviously, to achieve your slick back bun. You're gonna need at least 2 ponytail holders. So I like to get ones that kind of blend into my hair, even though my hair's not black and these are black, but I feel like you can't really see these ones because they're really like thin and skinny. And then get your favorite gel or pomade, anything that is like really good at keeping your hair down, strong hold, you know, your hair's not gonna move like in the wind and stuff. And then just get your favorite hairspray. I just use this Tresemme extra hold hairspray. Once again, this is not the best most amazing hairspray, but it works for me. So use whatever your favorite hairspray that really keeps your hair, holds your hair, you know. All right, so first step is make sure that your hair is all brushed out. Make sure you don't have any knots. Make sure your hair is easy to handle. I've tried to do this before when my hair was like not brushed out and it was like kind of knotty, and it just doesn't work because your hair feels all thick from the knots and it just doesn't work. So now you have your hair, you know, you can touch it, it's nice and brushed, you're able to manage it easily. You are now going to part your hair. So what I do is I always have the middle part. So for this like really chic, cool girl bun hair, you do need a middle part. So honestly, I cannot get a perfect middle part to save my life. I cannot get a perfect middle part to save my life because I think I have like a calic or something. I don't know. My hairdresser always just asks me to part my own hair because when she tries to part it in the middle, it just doesn't lay right. So I have to like kind of part it for her because I can feel where my hair feels normal. But anyway, so yeah, part your hair in the middle. So this is probably about the best middle part that I'm gonna get. It's not perfect. If you can get a really nice perfect middle part, go for it, but I personally cannot, and that's fine with me. So you have your middle part. Now your next step is to take about, I don't know, what is this, like 2 inches or so. I go like this with my fingers, like just like if you were saying like, oh, about take it, you know, if you were showing like an inch or 2 with your fingers, and I go like that, and that's where I keep the middle part, and the rest of it I brush back. So I'll show you. I'm gonna keep about this much of my middle part, kind of like the maybe not the middle of my head, but a little bit more, and then brush that back so that you have your middle part in the front, and then the rest of your hair is just brushed back. So just brush all that back. Okay. All right. So now you have your middle part and the rest of your hair is brushed back. Honestly, sometimes my hair gets kind of messed up. All All right, so you might have to keep playing with the part that's not your middle part just to make sure it doesn't fall back into your middle part. I'm now gonna put my gel in my hair, slick back the hair that you pushed back, so slick that back with the gel, and then I'm also gonna slick my middle part sides like to my head. So I literally just take a big glob of gel. All right, so you're gonna glob it. See how I'm slicking it literally like to my head? Now you wanna take kind of like another glob of gel and slick back that back part that you don't want to be in a middle part that you pushed back. Slick that down as well. All right, and then the last things that I slick back is I do another glob of gel and I take my hair like underneath my hair. So grab your hair kind of in a ponytail and I'm gonna slick all of that hair, like the hair that would pop out if you just put your hair in a ponytail. I'm like slicking it up. So I'm grabbing my hair, kind of making like a ponytail formation, but really slicking the gel and slicking those little hairs that you have, slicking them to my head. Now you're going to remember where you put your ponytail when you were following your eyebrow line, and this time you're actually gonna put your hair into the ponytail. So this might take a couple times, you know, you might put it up and then there's some bumps, just take it down and redo it. I like to, you know, use my brush as much as I can. So kind of brushing it all nice and flat down to my head so that when I take it and put it in a ponytail, it's like really already down and flat. Okay. And don't worry if like there's some hairs that fall out, because we're gonna use hairspray at the end to get any of those hairs that fall out. Okay, all right, wait, this is actually good. Hey, all right, so you have your ponytail. All right, so you have your ponytail, you have everything nice and slicked back. All right, you have your ponytail. Now, time for your second elastic. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the ponytail and twist it, not too tight but not too loose. If you want to twist it really tight, it's going to give you more of that like ballerina look, and if you want to do it looser, it's going to give you more of just like a messy bun look. So I just twist it. Oops, you can't really see. Twist my hair like this. I know it looks crazy, and I leave like maybe a little bit more. I leave like this much hair out. Okay, now I'm just looping all that twisted stuff around. Okay, can you show the back? So I looped it around like that. Hopefully it looks good. Looped it around. Okay, then I have this little part, I keep it sticking out. Now the second hairband, you're just going to fasten around the bun you made. Okay, then you have these little pieces which you can pull out more if you want them to be more prominent. I like this because, I don't know, it's just like, honestly, Hailey Bieber vibes. Like, I don't know what else to say. And I just play with it. So, play with these little pieces, like, if I want them sticking like that, if I want them, like, all to one side, if I want them more, like, sticking up. So, I just play with it. Okay, So I played with my little like sticking out pieces and I like where they are. Now we have the bun. Try to show you. Also, I should have prefaced this. I'm not the best at this, but I feel like this is an achievable chic slicked back bun tutorial, because some of these people on YouTube be doing this bun like way too good and I'm like, I could never do this. So this is like an achievable, easy way to get the look. It may not be perfect, but it's okay. You're perfect, so your bun is perfect. All right, so like, let me show you. Okay, that's what it looks like. I know it's probably not perfect, but that's fine. I'm okay with it, and I have my extensions that are probably sticking out. It's fine. No one's bun is gonna be perfect. So last step, use your hairspray, and I usually spray the top. So I get the top and kind of pat it back, just as an extra, like, some extra security for your bun. The extra. Alright guys, so I hope you liked my little chic slicked back hair tutorial. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you liked this video. Follow me on Instagram. It's linked down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.